Hello everyone, myself Rajni Sharma from class 11 science standing before you to speak about the role of unity in the struggle for independence. We reflect not only on the historical significance of this day but also on the enduring values that shaped our journey to freedom. One of the most profound lessons from our past is the power of unity. Unity was the driving force behind our struggle for independence and it remains a cornerstone of our national identity. Let us explore how unity played a crucial role in achieving our independence. Our path to independence was marked by the coming together of diverse groups and individuals that shared a common vision. The struggle for independence was not led by a single faction or ideology, it was a collective effort that transcended regional, cultural, and political differences. Leaders from various backgrounds, including those with differing views and goals, united under a common banner of liberty and self determination. This unity was not a mere tactical advantage but a fundamental element that empowered us to challenge colonial powers and secure our rights to self-governance. The journey to independence was fraught with significant challenges, both internal and external. Internally, there were competing interests and regional disparities that could have undermined the efforts. Externally, facing a formidable colonial power required the strength. The achievement of independence was just the beginning of a new chapter. Building a nation required the continued application of unity. Establishing a functioning government, creating laws, and fostering social and economic development demanded the combined efforts of people from all walks of life. The process of nation building illustrated that our strength lay in our ability to come together, embrace our diverse talents, work towards a common goal. Let us remember that unity is not just a historical lesson but a living principle that can guide us towards a continued prosperity and shared progress. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.